Caribou, welcome explorers to another exciting episode on I'm Amani, your guide on this thrilling journey. Today we're setting sail to the enchanting Isle of Zanzibar, nestled in the warm embrace of the Indian Ocean. Known for its white sandy beaches, azure waters and rich cultural heritage, Zanzibar is a haven for those seeking an escape from the ordinary. This tropical paradise is a treasure trove of experiences, from the bustling streets of Stone Town to the tranquil beauty of its pristine beaches. We'll be diving into its crystal-clear waters, exploring its lush forests, and tasting its exotic flavors. We'll also meet the locals, the heart and soul of this vibrant island, who'll share with us their stories, traditions, and culinary secrets. So buckle up and get ready for an unforgettable journey as we discover the top 10 attractions in Zanzibar, a tropical paradise that offers a perfect blend of nature, culture, and adventure. Kickstart your Zanzibar adventure with a thrilling day trip to Mikumi National Park. Imagine a landscape that captivates your senses with its raw beauty and vast expanses. Picture the thrill of spotting majestic elephants, graceful giraffes, and powerful lions in their natural habitat. Mikumi National Park is a gem in the heart of Tanzania, offering a glimpse into the fascinating world of African wildlife. Beyond the wildlife, there's an intriguing diversity of flora, painting the park in a palette of greens. The safari experience here is unlike any other. It's not just about watching from a distance, it's about being part of a world where nature rules supreme. As you navigate through the rugged terrains, you'll feel a sense of harmony with the surroundings. Every moment spent in this park brings you closer to understanding the intricate balance of nature. Immerse yourself in the true essence of Africa's safari. This is Mikumi National Park, a must-visit on your Zanzibar adventure. Next up, dive into the crystal-clear waters of Mnemba Island. As you immerse yourself in the warm, turquoise waters, you'll discover a vibrant underwater world that's teeming with life. From the brilliantly colored corals to the myriad species of tropical fish, every moment of your snorkeling adventure introduces you to a new spectacle of nature. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Mnemba Island is also home to a playful pod of dolphins. Imagine gliding through the water alongside these incredible creatures. Feel their energy and grace as they weave around you, creating a symphony of movement beneath the waves. This isn't just an opportunity to observe dolphins from a distance. It's a chance to be part of their world, even if only for a little while. And if you're lucky, you might even get a chance to swim with dolphins, a truly magical experience. Explore Zanzibar's rich history and flavors with a full-day private tour of Stone Town, a spice farm, and the intriguing prison island. This unique journey starts in the heart of Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its ancient buildings and winding alleyways. Here, you'll marvel at the intricate architecture that tells tales of a bygone era. Next, we'll transport you to a local spice farm, where the air is filled with the intoxicating scent of cloves, cinnamon, and vanilla. As you wander through the lush green fields, you'll learn about the island's spice trade history that dates back centuries. Finally, we'll set sail to Prison Island. Despite its ominous name, this island is home to giant tortoises and boasts a beautiful coral reef. The island's history is tinged with tales of quarantine and slavery, creating a thought-provoking contrast to its natural beauty. Immerse yourself in the aromas of exotic spices and discover the stories behind the island's fascinating landmarks. For an exclusive adventure, embark on a private dolphin tour. Feel the thrill as you share the ocean with these playful creatures, each leap and splash a symbol of the ocean's joy. As you leave the playful dolphins behind, the lush Jozani forest awaits. Here, the air is fresher and the world seems greener. This is a realm where nature reigns supreme, a place of peace and tranquility that's a stark contrast to the ocean's lively charm. Journey on to discover the hidden gems of Jambiani Kuza Cave. Feel the cool air as you delve into the heart of the earth, each step taking you further into Zanzibar's secrets. Leaving the cave behind, the pristine Paje Beach stretches out before you. Here the sand is softer and the sea more soothing. Finally, indulge in a dining experience like no other at the Rock Restaurant. Here, the flavors are as spectacular as the view, each dish a testament to Zanzibar's culinary prowess. Get your adrenaline pumping with a cool quads tour around Zanzibar. There's nothing quite like the thrill of revving up a quad bike engine, feeling the cool breeze against your face, and setting off on an adventure across this tropical paradise. As you weave your way through the island's diverse terrains, the world becomes a blur of color and motion, from the rich greenery of the forest to the white sandy beaches and the azure blue of the ocean. The quad bike tour isn't just about the thrill of speed, it's about experiencing Zanzibar in a whole new way. It's about uncovering hidden gems that you might miss on a typical tour. It's about the joy of discovery, of exploring the unexplored. So hold on tight and let's embark on this exciting journey. Witness breathtaking landscapes that will leave you in awe. Experience luxury and natural beauty on a half-day tour that includes a visit to the iconic rock restaurant in the tranquil Blue Lagoon. The rock restaurant, perched on a rock in the Indian Ocean, offers much more than just a unique dining location. It's a place where culinary art meets breathtaking views, a place where every meal is a celebration of flavors, served with a panoramic view of the azure waters. Now, imagine complementing this exquisite dining experience with a visit to the Blue Lagoon. This tranquil spot is a haven for relaxation. Its calm, crystal-clear waters, teeming with vibrant marine life, offer a perfect opportunity for snorkeling. The Blue Lagoon's serene beauty, coupled with the rock restaurant's culinary delights, creates an unforgettable experience, a delightful feast for your senses. It's a perfect blend of exquisite dining and stunning scenery. For a day of pure relaxation, head to Nakupenda Beach. Imagine a haven of tranquility, nestled within the natural beauty of Zanzibar, where time seems to stand still, and the only soundtrack is the rhythmic lull of the waves. This is Nakupenda Beach. Here, the soft powdery sands invite you to leave behind your footprints, while the azure waters of the Indian Ocean beckon you to take a plunge. As you immerse yourself in the inviting warmth of the sea, you'll find that the hustle and bustle of everyday life simply melts away. Take a moment to gaze out at the horizon where the sky meets the sea in an endless expanse of blue. Feel the gentle breeze as it caresses your skin, carrying with it the faint scent of salt and freedom. Unwind on the soft sands, take a refreshing dip in the azure waters, and let the gentle breeze whisk away your worries. Nakupenda Beach, the epitome of relaxation, awaits you. Immerse yourself in the flavors of Zanzibar with a cooking class and spice tour. Experience the vibrant Zanzibari culture through its food, a fusion of African, Arab, and Indian influences. Your culinary journey begins with a hands-on cooking class where you'll learn to prepare traditional Zanzibari dishes, guided by experienced local chefs. Feel the rhythm of the island as you grind spices using traditional methods, and understand the nuances of Zanzibari cuisine as you blend ingredients to create dishes that are as rich in history as they are in flavor. Your gastronomic adventure continues with a tour of Zanzibar's spice plantations. Stroll through the aromatic fields, where the air is perfumed with the scent of cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Learn how these spices are grown and harvested, and their importance in Zanzibari cuisine and economy. Explore the spice plantations that make this island a gastronomic delight. From farm to plate, this is a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds and enrich your understanding of Zanzibar's rich cultural tapestry. Embark on a unique cultural and culinary journey with the Mamas of Zanzibar. This isn't your run-of-the-mill cooking class. This is a chance to step into the heart of Zanzibari culture, to connect with the very soul of this enchanting island, its women. These are the Mamas of Zanzibar, guardians of the island's culinary secrets, masters of the mesmerizing dance of spices that gives Zanzibari cuisine its unique character. As you delve into this immersive experience, you'll find yourself picking up more than just recipes. You'll learn about the Mamas' lives, their traditions, their stories. You'll see how food is more than just sustenance here. It's a language, a way of life, a bond that ties the community together. And as you sit down to share a meal you've helped prepare, you'll taste the true flavors of Zanzibar. This is more than just a meal. It's a celebration of culture, of tradition, of the human spirit. Savor the authentic flavors of Zanzibar's traditional dishes. And there you have it, the 10 best attractions in Zanzibar that promise an unforgettable experience. From the thrilling wildlife encounters at Mikumi National Park to snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters of Mnemba Island, Zanzibar's natural wonders are truly awe-inspiring. The rich history and vibrant flavors of Stone Town and the Spice Farm, the exclusive adventures at Jozani Forest, Jambiani Kuza Cave, and Paje Beach, and the adrenaline rush of the Cool Quads Tour all contribute to the unique charm of this tropical paradise. And let's not forget the tranquil beauty of Nakupenda Beach, the gastronomic delights of a Zanzibari cooking class and spice tour, and the unique cultural experiences with the Mamas of Zanzibar. If this has sparked your wanderlust, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel adventures. Until next time, Asante Sana, thank you for joining us on this journey. Happy travels.